Hello, dear Homely members and investors. Welcome to my video. This is MG from Homely Chat. So today is Monday. It's 16 for November. Monday, okay, new day of this week. So today I will share you this topic about the recovery stocks. Okay, start now. We know that today the rebound of all the recovery stocks is still continue from last week on, especially for example the bank shares, the financial shares, and the energy and the industry still continues, and also have some material sector, material shares also very strong, and also have the airlines and the consumer, and also have few glove one. Okay, so is it the time for us to add on? Because last week we just say that is your short-term trend. So considering today is really a big rally, so some financial one also have around 10% plus. So many people just really love to add more. So is it a time? Okay, so later on we will check. And how to deal with glove counters now? So you see today, if you check the top losers, most of them are glove one. Okay, Supermax, K Plus, Roborex, Top Glove, and also the HLT, Corsan, yeah, Advanta. Most of them are glove one, which is very bullish before. So how to deal with them now if you still have it? Okay, so and also this video I will try to record it, okay, after market close. So if you like, so in this time you can view, okay, in the YouTube channel. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you can receive all of the videos. And of course this video is beautiful study and discussion, not for co-buy and co-sell. Every shares is mentioned is just for case study, not for buying or sell. So everyone need to trade with their own risk and with your own independent thinking. So we're talking these three parts. First one, how to review the recovery sectors now, and second thing, glove counters review, and third, how to make money now. Okay, how to survive in the current market. So let's take a look about the whole sectors first. Oh, okay, which is very important. Okay, before we check about this one, we check about the KLCI first. KLCI, okay, I also analyzed, okay, I also analyzed in the real time and the loon time, okay. And also yesterday we also mentioned that the price, okay, the price we have some resistance at the 1616. Okay, I will open this one, excuse me. In this loom, my homely lunch, okay, I have been marked here. Okay, let me make it bigger. Okay, lunch break. Okay, today I write in my lunch break, and it says I already said that the resistance support. Okay, have another 20 points. Okay, another 20 points to reach this resistance 1616. So here is the previous high. Okay, it's not only the previous high, but a lot of previous high. So it's really a big resistance. So we see whether it can break up or not. Otherwise, it will go to sideways or it just draw back. But from currently, let's confirm with the funds, whether have some funds inside or not. Now from this KLCL, we see it's just no obvious profitable, no big funds inside. And so, but we know that have some foreign funds inside. Okay, still have, it's just kind of a push up by the foreign funds. Okay, foreign funds. So you know that the blue chips are the blue chips, which also push up this price, is also kind of foreign funds push up, or just the market makers, just the bankers push it up. It lead us to take a look. Okay, so this is one KLCI, and also resistance. We can also check. You can put it in the half price of this candlestick. Okay, we also write it here. Half price of this candlestick, okay, is around 1578. So if it cannot break down, still have a chance, okay, to remain on this level. And okay, so about, and we also know that this push up is this rally is pushed up by the recovery shares. So we can see the details from the sector, here. So this is today's sector ranking list. And we can see that number one, okay, from number one is energy. it's really big rebound, but we know that actually the energy is not so strong one. Okay, it's not so strong one. And today also only let's say 5 to 5.6, okay, have a good bounce back. Okay, have a good bounce back. But how's the whole trend? Okay, also check. Look, hey, excuse me. This rich energy is number one, top one of this energy sector. But we can see that, is it a really big strong or not? Okay, it's really strong or not. So we take a look, we use this homely rainbow to check the whole direction. Whole direction is still below the white line. So even today, this share increased 31%. But how about these funds? Okay, trend need to break up the white line, so can make sure it can start bigger trend. Okay, bigger upper trend. Otherwise, it's just a short rebound. Okay, because last time it also, this day also increased 25%, but later days just correction. Okay, just fall back. So still cannot say, because last time when this rally 25%, also have banker tips around 91%. We always need to use these funds to verify whether this rally can continue on or is just a very short while. So from the regularity, we know that last time it's just very short term, 4 days rally, then over. Now you also have few days rally already. And today the banker tips reached to 58%. Okay, 58%, and still have, okay, the red tips is the banker tips here, and the green tips is the people who lose money is the retailers. Okay, retailers less means less people lose money, but now we still have 13%. 13% of retailers get stuck in this share. So after combine these two elements, we know that it's kind of still short-term trends. If you have this share and you can lay out for short term, and once have sell point appeared in short term, you should take a profit in time, because even the recovery but the whole energy is still not so strong. Okay, still just kind of a rebound. And we can see, go to the hourly chart. So if hourly chart, you see the sell point, you should be careful. Okay, we just go to the hourly chart. This is hourly chart. We can use this trend expert to enter an XE. Okay, when the green bar turns to red bar, here is your entry point. Where is the XE point? When the red bar turns to green bar, then it's your XE point. So now it's still red color, so means that you still consider to hold it until it appears to green, like this one. Okay, appears to green, then you take a profit. Now it's not time for us to greedy. It's the time to take a profit very quickly. Okay, need to react very fast. Otherwise, gone already. Just the profit go back already. And we see the whole sector of this energy, you see, is also below this white line, and very few, only 3% of big funds. So no big funds to push it up. Okay, so only very short-term rebound is also pushed up by these yellow chips. Yellow chip is a foreign fund. We can understand it like the speculator. Okay, the speculator very fast and also very active one. So now if speculator here is very volatile, okay, so have a chance to win but small profit compared to the bankers push up. Okay, it's just very small profit. Now it's also haven't break out the yellow the blue line, so it's really short term compared to this energy. So we take a look at the financial one. Financial is kind of stronger one, far stronger. Yesterday in my weekly market close report, I also said that this financial one need to break up this previous high. So today it already break out, right? And also standing above this white line. So it's really big rally. And also we can see the financial one also have bankages around 38% without any blocked retailer already. So it's really a strong one. Okay, it's really strong one. So, and also today financial sector also have 4%. Okay, 4%. this sector 4% increase. It's really good one. Top two, one is energy, okay. Second is financial. So after compare these two recovery, sector, you know that financial one is stronger one. And what we call it recovery counter. So because the vaccine news is still continuous, right? From Pfizer of America, okay, announced that the accuracy of this vaccine, okay, reached to 19%. So means that the vaccine will be applied very soon. Trump also said that will be used in April, in the coming April. So it's really improve the confidence of the investors. So all of the recovery indexes, okay, means that if the vaccine come out, of course, all the economy, all the cases will be cured, and also the economy have chance to recover very soon, right? So the first thing, if the economy is good and is recovered, and also the bank sectors, the financial sector will be benefit, of course. And also we have travel sectors, right? Travel sectors like these travel companies, and also airplane companies, AirAsia. Today AirAsia also have good one, right? And also the transportation and the logistics, and also have this consumer one, consumer sector. And also material, the cost of material will also increase. So today we can also see around four material sectors, four material shares increase, like 7225 PA resources and 2879 chemical resources, and also 7188 BTM. Okay, so around four materials shares increase. And also have technology also okay, still remains in uptrend. And also industry very strong, okay, very fast increase. So all of this one, so starts or not, okay, starts or not. So just now we see energy haven't yet. Financial one have very good chance, okay, have very good chance, and which you have seen now. But we say that we still have another 2 days to confirm, okay. But of course, if you have bought the financial shares, for example, you bought the Maybank, you bought the MBSB, right? You bought the Hong Leong Bank, yeah. If no sell point, you still can consider to hold. For example, I can just show you. For example, today number one in this financial sector, 117 Malaya building MBSB. So you see, it's trying to break up the Y9. So this one is a little bit slowly up because it's the first day. First day push it up. The banker chips around 51%, but only first day is not stable one. Short term, if you have bought this one, no problem. If you haven't, so you know that we also have some normal correction. If normal correction still remains above half of this candlestick, the price is around 58, then you still have a chance. Of course, the banker tips also need to remain. Okay, at least remain or increase is better. So also the first day, the retailer already becomes 0%. So it's really good for this one, for this counter. So it means that if the bankers can remain, so still have a chance to going up. But now we know that is still some short term. Also need to break out these white lines. Still have some pressure. Still have a lot of resistance here. And okay, so how about CIMB also very strong. Strong one because it's strong from last week already. So we take a look. Strong few days already. Today also is the first day the banker chips it reached to 50%, 61% already. The banker chips and the no retailer. Last Friday still have a little bit retailer, but today no retailer. This is a signal to fly out, but not means that if the retailer becomes zero, every share will increase. I just say the successful rate is very high, but we still can see some resistance. Okay, before we didn't break out the white line and the blue line, but now it's break out already and trying to break up the white line. Okay, it's really this rally have been verified by the chips, by their funds, so means that you have bigger chance. So if you have these ones, still consider to hold. So we can also take a look at the mini chart 1023. If you trade here, so this is hourly chart. Hourly chart, the buy point when the green bar turns to red bar. Here is Thursday, 11 o'clock, have buy point. Till now, there's no sell point. So if you buy last week already, and till now, you can see you have 14.9% already. Okay, 17 hours. Okay, 2 days, right? 2 days, 3 days. So, and now it's still red color. Okay, Tronic still red color means you still can consider to hold the share. Today also have 9%, 9%. All the price is standing above the yellow line. Or for intraday players, also good chance. Okay, so also in my lunch break, I also writing here about the financial sector here, right? Financial sector. Hold on, let me change the color. Yeah, rise 2.44% this morning already, but it's still above. It will be half above the Homely Rainbow white line for the first day, but it still hasn't broke through the high point at noontime. Haven't break out, but later on in today afternoon already break out already. Yeah, so it's really good. It's really strong rally. And okay. Yeah, after market close, okay, so we already know the banker chips already are 38%, right? KL Financial, okay, today the banker chips, yeah, 38%, okay, the whole financial sector banker chips is really strong one, okay, really strong one. But actually, in current market, even is very strong. But the whole market, you see the KLCI still have some resistance, 20 cents to reach the big resistance, 1616. So means that you still cannot say all in all in. Okay, we need to we cannot be very greedy in the current market. Once we have profit and then have sell point, should take a profit first. Okay, before all the things kind of become more stable, okay, combined with the economy or other things, okay. So this is a financial one, financial sector. And also we can see other sector, transportation also increased 1.54. Then is property and construction, consumer, and this is KLCI. Industry also very strong. Industry shares are like this 5079 is very strong one, but you also say announce that we are making gloves, so that's why. Right, and also yeah, the last one, the top losers is the healthcare. Okay, is the healthcare. And also right, like that one. So before we go to the glove one, now we still can look others. Okay, look others counters. So in my homely lunch break, I also analyze 3 top gainers shares. Okay, but it's not for recommendation. Just show you. Okay, show you some reference during the trading, day trading. So the first one is green energy. Okay, green energy also surged 88 points today and hit the new high. So it's an industry sector before, but recently it announced that it will making gloves, so it really fly. Okay, I can show you the chart. And also a lot of investors in buying this share. Banker chips 98% already. 98% already also, right? And yeah, 99 in morning already. But here we also said if the new hair shares when is a real high point, the technical analysis can help us find some loss, find some regularities for reference. So means, is it a real new high or is just a faked one? So last Friday, yeah, this share is limited by Bursa. So today it continues soar. So we can look for other stocks that have also gone up after their price limit. It means you need to find the regularity of other shares which has been limited by the Bursa. What's going on after that limit? Okay, after this price limit, right? So is it good one or bad one? So I also give you some homework. If you do the homework, I think you know the answer already. Okay, so we take a look about this 5079, and also we have members also make money this share already, right? Only 3 days, 72% already. Okay, 70% to 72% already. And 30-minute he also have sell point, got his profit already. Although he's kind of a stop profit, but also have some reasons. Okay, you can see this one we can have some other cases, similar cases, which their price also have been limited by other country, by the Bursa. So for example, this counter before also a very fast share, fast push up, okay, fast push up before here, but this day you see the similar candlestick. Okay, this day the price is also being limited by Bursa. The next day you also are soaring, okay, soaring, and also this day 29%, okay, limit up already. And later on you see what happened, okay, what happened here. Another one is the HLT. Okay, HLT here also have limited by the Bursa one. Later on, next day also price limit up, 29.7% limit up. And then what happened next? So be careful one. So this is regularity. It's not from any news, but it's from their charming technical analysis. Okay, so will give us some reference. I'm not saying you need to sell now, but if you know this already and also you follow the chart, okay, follow the chart, and if you see any sell point, you also can consider to take a profit. Right now it's still red color in hourly chart, so if later on it turns to green, should take a profit in time. Okay, already shared this one, or shared this already. Okay, about this, excuse me, where is it? Okay, here. We make a bigger one. Okay, but it's 5079. But also, this is a glove counter. This is a glove counter. Actually, when all the other glove counter just finished, okay, just over, and this one is kind of a strong one. So that means when the vaccine arrives, all the glove shares will game over. Okay, still have, but the point is whether you can find them or not. So this green energy before also announced, and then all the funds, okay, just inflow, okay, the control the rate is still 98%. Okay, 98% still can make money. And of course you have others like AT, right? AT also making gloves and also very strong, right? Very strong. Banker chips today, today is 78, still have 78. But to hourly chart, we see if you do short term, okay, have sell point ready. Today 4 p.m. have sell point if you do short term, okay? Not 4 p.m. Here is 3 p.m. 3 p.m. today have sell point. Can consider to take a profit. So if later still can fly and the green bar will turn to red bar, then you buy it back. Okay. So this is for short term. But if for long term, we go to the daily chart. Daily chart is still red one, but you see the bar becomes smaller, means that it loses momentum in uptrend. Also need to be careful when turn to green, can try to take a profit. Okay, this is the second one in top gainers. Oh, not this one. Sorry, I just remember this one. Also, Euro holding. Euro holding. And this one is industry shares, also very strong, hit a new high. Okay, and the bank chips are 97%. And so you see this one. Industry strong shares is Euro Holding and the Vivacom and this green energy, right? And also CYAP also okay, PIE. So it is Europe also fully stronger, support by the bankers. The banker chips around 97%. Okay, 97%. Okay, so if you do short term, okay, today have sell point ready. 5 p.m. have sell point ready. If you do short term, can take your profits. But if you do long term, still okay. Long term is still okay. Even short term have sell point, but the whole trend of the share is still very strong. Okay, whole still share very strong. For example, here sideways for so long time, but the banker chips are although a little bit decreased, but there is no retailer. So you know that this is a shakeout by the bankers. Bankers haven't exit. They just want to shake out the retailers who have made money before. Okay, so this is Euro holding. And also we have analyzed Vivacom. Vivacom is the industry shares, right? Industry one, industry sector, very strong. And we can also see, yeah, also before end of last month already have bankers enter and pushed it up, and today also limit up. Okay, today also limit up. Banker chips now is 92%. If you have this counter, you still can consider to hold. And if you go to hourly chart, the trend expo is still red color, means you still can consider to hold. If you do short term, when the hourly chart it turns to green, can take a profit. Okay, can take a profit. So this is a tree analyze here. And of course, we also have Mandarin version if you prefer Mandarin version. And of course, this one is will be posted in my WhatsApp broadcast. If you haven't insight, you can WhatsApp me. You can send homely lunch to 011 1652796 so that you can also receive the homely lunch. Sometimes it's the words version, sometimes it's the live, it's the video live. Okay, so you can, if you want to receive updated during the day trading, what version or the video, you can just WhatsApp homely lunch to 011 1652796. Okay, and also we have members have made money in this green energy. Yeah, short term you already take profit already. And also, and this one TDEX are also very strong one, 20% already, only 2 days. Okay, a few days is really good one. Okay, really good one. And also we can see the banker chips. Okay, banker chips also very high in the daily chart. Daily chart banker chips 91% already. Today also no retailers. Okay, if you do short term, if you do short term hourly chart, okay, hourly chart also have turns to green already. So also can consider to take a profit if you trade short term. Okay, but if have software, you know when you can buy so that you can make this profit. Okay, and put the money in your pocket, not go back to the China, not returns to the market. Okay, very important. Also Euro holding also have short term, have chance to win, right? Have chance to win. And now we take a look at the glove counters, how to deal with them. Because if we open the top losers, okay, this is top losers today, you see. Many of them are MLS, okay, and Supermax, and K Plus, Roperex, Top Glove, and Prolex. All this one glove glove counters. And Unison, okay, Comfort, right, Comfort. So most of them, okay, just decrease 9%, 7%, like that. So now let's take a look at the glove counters if you still have it. So very important for us to relay out. For example, the Supermax. Supermax, okay, all the trend, okay, already lose momentum. This line we have been drawing for few months already, I think. Okay, if you follow my life, you know this line. And also the most important thing, okay, is it seems get support by the blue line. Last time it didn't break down, okay, I have some bounce back, but it cannot break up the resistance. Now drop back again already. Few days ago, I also say that the price cannot break down the yellow line, but now you break down the yellow line and reach the blue line already. It's really big correction, and also there's no funds to support, means that it's not a correction controlled by the bankers, but a kind of a very kind of a top profit taken area. Banker tips only 20% already, and the retailer tips 54%. So what is, if this is not profit taken area, then what else? Okay, be careful. So if you still haven't sold it, you wait for rebound, and then when the rebound finish and the cut loss, then you can lose less. If we go to hourly chart, and you see now is green color, of course, in this trend expo, if you see. Okay, all the way is green color. This is hourly chart. You see also no bankers. What is rebound? Okay, when the green bar, you see the green bar is the short-term downtrend. When the green bar turns to red, like here, turns to red and then red turns to green again, this is the time to run. Okay, even you lose money, because if you still have your cost, you can make money from other counters. But if you don't stop loss, you will lose all of your costs. Then how to play later? How to make money from other counters later? Okay, you cannot make. You always can make money in the market, but you, after you lose your cost, you can do nothing. Okay, you missed the chance to make money in this market. Okay, in the future. So very important. If we lose, the first thing is just cut loss, not waiting. You wait, then it's easy for you to be caught in the market. And then top glove, we take a look about we take a look about the K plus 01663. Oh, sorry, 63. K plus also same similar pattern, but bank tips 32%. Retailers also more than 50% already. Retailers is the green retail is 54%. So half of their shareholders losing money now. Okay, so also it break down the yellow line already. After here is the time when the vaccine news, the good vaccine news come out. So it's really not benefit from that. It not means glove cannot do anymore. You know that 80 and also green energy, these two shares very strong. Okay, they're also making glove. But why they still flying? So we don't rely on this news. We need to see how the banker chips make use of the news. In this area, they just use of the share to take the profit. So this is the essence. The essence you need to follow is the movement of the bankers, not the news. Okay, there is a 3 steps, not a 1 step directly. Okay, you read the news and you see the movement of the bankers and then you make a decision. Okay, by following the buy and the sell point of the software. Okay, if you just rely on the news without checking the movement of the bankers, you might lose, you might miss the chance of the AD, and you also might get caught in this glove counter, the K plus, the Supermax, right? 7113 top glove also cannot break out new high, and the banker chips only 10% now. Even have good news of repurchase, still cannot save it because banker chips is gone already. Retailer is 57%. Okay, it's not a good time for you to enter now. Okay, when rebound finished, you can take a time to exit. Okay, and choose a strong share. Still have a lot of strong share in the market. Even you buy a continue one other recovery share, for example, but I'm not recommending shares. I mean that you see bank chips enter here, funds moves here, inflow here already. Even you do short term, so this is the day when the vaccine news come out. Short term from here till here, 5 days you have 23% already. Okay, but in the old glove counters you still make losing money. Okay, so this is the reaction. Okay, reaction of the change. Okay, must be very fast because now it's still very volatile market. So yeah, your reaction must be very fast. Follow with the change. And the other one like Roborex, Roborex. So Roborex is 49%, 49%. Retailers 21%. Also not so strong, but it's better one because it haven't break down the green and the yellow chips. Okay, but also need to be careful because the bank chips keep decreasing now. Okay, also be careful. Just better than Supermax and the previous 3 counters. Okay, this one Prelex also Prelex. Also in this top area, bank chips a little bit slowly, but actually the retailers is not so much as the Supermax. And we also take a look about the HLT. Okay, HLT. Actually, after here, right? After here, just now we have analyzed this one after price limit up and then it going drop. And till now, bank chips only 25%. Retailers have 62% or around 62% of the shareholders is losing money. They're retailers, not bankers, right? Could not be bankers, but the retailers. If you don't know how to sell, you'll be caught now. And we also tell about the comfort still have investors to average down here. You see, it increased, so I just average down. Cannot, you see, bank tip is so less. Today only bank tips 11%. Retailer have 40%. Okay, so be careful. And is so just get support a little bit by this blue line. If have rebound, also your time to run, not average down. Okay, last one, Hata Lega. Hata also bank chips 11% already, even cannot break out. It's trying to break down the blue line. Okay, be careful, be careful. So the retailers is 63% already. Okay, so So I just said about the glove counters, don't expect too much. Okay, after you check the movement of the retailers, of the bankers, this is truly the reality. You need to see, need to check, not your expectation. Imagination is always good, but you make money is more important. Okay, so about then we to the last question: how to make money in the current market? Okay, how to make money in the current market? First thing, you need to be keep a very good reaction. Okay, you need to react very fast. Once you make money, take a profit. Don't wait too long. Still in this volatile market, okay? Don't be greedy. It's not the time for you to greedy. Greedy is 2 months ago, okay? When the time fly, when the everything flies, okay? The glove one, the glove shares, glove marker. That time is you can greedy, but now it's not now it's not time for you to greedy. Be cautious. Second thing, you need to realize that in current market, stop loss, okay, keep your cost, keep your money safe. It's more important to make more money. Okay, means that even you think the share is very strong, you need to set a stop loss. Okay, now the successful rate of the share in current market is far more less than 2 months ago. So you need to set stop loss, okay? Because keep your safeguard it is more important to make money, because many of the people, they just lose money, okay? So currently, if you don't lose money, you will be lucky one. The third thing, must learn, okay? Must learn. It's not the time to win by luck, but the time to of your skills, your abilities, okay? If you don't learn, you don't study, then you might be caught in the market always, because in the market it's just kind of a game, okay? It's just a game. If you lose money, and then must have some other people make money, okay? So if you don't study, then how to make money, okay? When there is a zero sum game, okay? Zero sum game in the share market. So very important for you to learn. And also the emotion, the emotional the humor natural, their mentality is very important. If you cannot control it well, software can tell you, or can to some degree control a little bit, because it can tell you the reality, then can cool you down, and can support you, give more confidence. Okay, and also the last thing, also very important thing, follow closely with the movement of the bankers. Okay, then you will still make money in the glove one, the AT and the green energy. Okay, if you don't follow, you're still being caught inside. And also you follow the banker tips, and then you also know where it inflow. Okay, you inflow to financial sector, and also some industry, and some material, right? Material. And just now we also mentioned like the material encounters. This one, yeah, the chemical company. You see so many strong bankers chips here. When the bankers push it up here, the price date here is October 16. The bankers already inflow here. You see. So if here you enter, okay, we can calculate from here till now, 20 days you have 66% already. Now banker chips also have 69%. Very strong one. Right? If you follow the bankers very closely, you already sweep the strategy, okay, from different counters, because also the sector rotation a lot, rotated already. And also the material counters, for example, this one also 7188, but not so strong, not so strong. This one, PA resources, also good one. Banker chip 92%. Right, like this. But also, not every material shares strong. For example, the Texan. Texan also material shares, but the banker chips already outflow. Okay, already outflow. Reduced to 70% already. Retailers is 64%. Okay, always follow closely with the banker chips movement. That is very important. Okay, and if you want to check whether your shares have banker tips control or not, okay, you can WhatsApp me. WhatsApp me 011-1652-7962. And if you want to attend a homely preview class, you can also WhatsApp me 011-1652-7963. In this end of this month, we have a very big seminar, okay, conducted by a homely special lecture, okay, Master Zhu. We have a Mandarin version on November 28th, and the English version is 29th morning, okay, English version. If you want to attend, okay, this one only have Zoom platform, no YouTube, okay, no YouTube. So we only have thousand, okay, thousand seats, and we now only open 100 non-member seats, okay. So make sure if you want to attend, sign up very fast, okay. Just sign up to send message, okay, send your name to my WhatsApp 011-167279662. And also if you want to join my WhatsApp broadcast, you just also WhatsApp to me. Okay, that's almost all for today's content. So if you can benefit a little bit from today's video, don't forget to give me a like and then share this video out to your friends. Okay, so the subscription just below of the video, subscription, and also turn on the bell so you can receive the notification, and like and share it out. Okay, thank you very much. And also you can subscribe this subscribe this channel. Yeah, okay. So thank you very much and see you next time. Bye for now.